Good afternoon. So last year in the van I fitted a charge control relay. I just want to prove something. So we're now looking at 12.7, 12.6 voltage. Okay. I fitted this relay ages ago. It's quite an easy. It's only 4 wires, and I was thinking, right, and I did it all, and you know, I've only just realised that nothing was happening. My lad borrowed the van, went to Cornwall, came back, and the batteries were dead. Both my Leisure batteries. It looks a mess at the moment. I know I'm tidying up. Were both, well, virtually dead. He was getting a voltage of 7.4 fluctuating, and I was like, what? Anyway, so when I fitted my charge control unit, it goes to my main battery, which is my engine battery, which is here, which is a Fiat Ducato. It's under the floor. And I spoke to my lad who's an ex-mechanic, and he said, check the fuses, Dad. So I did. Anyway, so the fuse, which is here, that one, was blown, and I don't know how I don't know how it got blown. That's as simple as that. So I've done it all, changed the fuses. I bought a pack of 5. Have I got my keys on me? 2 seconds. This is all right. See if I can get this in. All right. Okay, so we had 12.7, something like that, yeah. Oh. Okay, so the charge control unit is not supposed to be activated if your main engine battery is low, because the last thing you want is a dead battery on your main engine. So I've just changed the fuse, and look at this. Hey presto, we are now getting fully charged. So my batteries are now, so the charge control unit is working beautifully. So I don't know what happened. Now what I've got an idea is that when I fitted it, I must have touched, or because I've removed it a bit, and I put the charge control unit in, I'll just show you that, in a footrest under here, and there it is. So I'm going to let it run for a bit, and we'll give it a bit of a test. So yeah, a bit weird that. Here we have 14 volts, bang on, steady. So I don't know what I did wrong. It's just a very quick video. I've done it when I was fitting it. I put the fitting in. I was trying to read what that says there underneath. If I can see that. Just put my light on 1 second. Okay, so according to that, LED on, which it is. Let's have a look quick. Let's get this steady. LED on, cut in, 13.3 volts DC. So I presume it's doing that right now. LED off, cut out at 12.8 DC. I'm not too sure what that means. If anybody has any ideas, can you please leave it in the comment down below. Charge relay. I would really appreciate that. So it's a 12 volt, 140 amp, smart battery isolator, LED on, cut in at 13.5. So I suppose, does that mean when the main engine reaches 13.3 volts, it'll cut in and then charge? I don't know. Any help would be appreciated. I'm not too sure. I've got no instructions with this. It was just a wiring instruction. I might have a look online anyway. But yeah, that would be great if anybody could just shed some light on that. It seems to be still working. There we go. 14 volts dead on. Engine running. That's it. I hope it doesn't, well, it shouldn't kill the main engine because the engine's running. Yeah, so any help would be greatly appreciated. Sorry about that. Let me just zoom out. That'd be great. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.